Namaste, Khushro Bitia. My name is JVN Sachin Pratap Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Journalism, Program BA Journalism, Course Research Methodology, Session Survey Research. Today I will discuss about survey research. Okay, बच्चों, in research of human subject, a survey is a list of questions amid at data from particular group of people. Survey may be conducted by phone, mail, via the internet, and sometimes face to face on business street corners or in malls. Survey are used to increase knowledge in field such as social research and demography. Survey research is often used to assess opinions and feelings. Survey can be limited or they can have more global goals. Okay बच्चों, while it is also used to meet the program parametric needs of the media such as political candidate, public health official, professional organization, and advertising and marketing director. Survey research has also been employed in various medical and surgical fields of gather information about healthcare personnel practice patterns and professional attitude toward various clinical problem and disease. Healthcare professional that may be enrolled in service studies in include physician, nurse, and physical therapist among other. A survey consists of a set of question that is given to a sample with a representative sample that is one that the representative of the larger population of interest. One can describe the attitudes of the population from which the sample was drawn. Further on, can one can compare the attitude of different population as well as look for change in attitudes over time. A good sample section is a key as it allow one of generalize the finding from the sample to the population, which is whole purpose of survey research. Methodology: a single survey is made of at least simple sample, a method of data collection, and individual question or items that become data that can be analyzed statically. A single survey may focus on different types of topic such as preference, opinions, behavior, or factual information depending on its purpose. Since survey research is almost always based based on a sample of the population, the success of the research is dependent on the representativeness of the sample with respect to a target population of interest to the researcher. That target population can range from the general population of a given country, group of people within that country, to a membership list of a professional organization or list of students enrolled in a school system. See also sampling statistics and survey sampling. थैंक यू बच्चों। मे बी आपको ये टॉपिक क्लियर हुआ है। ये सेशन अपना ये सेशन था अपना सर्वे रिसर्च। इसके किस रिसर्च में एक सर्वे का क्या यूज होता है, सर्वे क्यों किया जाता है, तो इस चीज को हमने समझा। अगर बच्चों आपको इस सेशन से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेरी हो, कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, तो आप नेक्स्ट जो हमारी क्लास होगी गूगल मीट पे ऑनलाइन क्लास, तो वहाँ हम अपनी क्वेरीज को, अपने डाउट्स को वहाँ क्लियर कर सकते हैं। इस सेशन में 2 क्वेश्चन है, एक सब्जेक्टिव, एक ऑब्जेक्टिव। तो आप दोनों क्वेश्चंस को देख लेना, उन दोनों क्वेश्चंस के आंसर को सर्च करने की कोशिश करना, ठीक है? अगर उन 2 क्वेश्चन में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, तो हम नेक्स्ट क्लास जो हमारी होगी गूगल मीट पे, तो उसमें भी इस क्वेश्चन के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके बच्चों, थैंक यू।